Check this out, y'all. This is the 2-in-1 Keurig. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. You can do it old school right in here, or you can do it with the pods, new style. So if you want to just do a pot of coffee, you can. And if you want to do it the new way with the pods, you can. And I love these push buttons right here. And nothing like having efficient methods of making your coffee. This 2-in-1 Keurig is absolutely amazing. I may make a commission on any qualifying purchase, but make your favorite iced or hot coffee in the morning or in the evening. Create some great memories with this Keurig 2-in-1 coffee maker.